Welcome back to Science with Emmanuel channel. My name is Mercy. If you're new here, kindly remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. In today's video, you will learn about solids, liquids, and gases. And more specifically, at the end of this video, you should be able to understand the three states of matter in terms of arrangement, movement, and energy of the particles. We are going to start with particles in a solid. In terms of arrangement, particles have a regular repeating pattern as shown in this diagram, and also they are close together, that is, they touch each other. As you can see in this diagram, you'll be able to see these are the particles and they are actually very close to each other. In regards to movement, particles vibrate about fixed positions but do not move apart. And also the forces between particles are usually stronger compared to those in a liquid. And lastly, solids have fixed shape and volume. Now let's move to particles in a liquid. In terms of arrangement, they are irregular and also they are close together, that is, they touch each other. And this is demonstrated in this diagram. Particles in a liquid move around and slide past one another. We also have the forces between particles. They are not as strong as those compared in a solid. In terms of shape, liquid have no fixed shape, that is, they take the shape of the container but have a fixed volume. Lastly, we have the particles in a gas. In terms of arrangement, they are irregular and they are far apart from each other. This is well demonstrated by this diagram. In regards to movement, they move freely and collide with each other. In terms of forces between particles, usually in gases, it's non-existent. That means they have no forces between the particles. In regards to shape, they have no fixed shape or volume. Thank you for watching. That is the end of our video. Remember to subscribe to Science with Emmanuel so that you don't miss on our next video on interconversion, names and definitions. Bye till we meet next time on Science with Emmanuel.